Shooting for right-handed players. Get a ball, toss and catch in triple threat position. Toss the ball, right hand should be on top of the ball, go up. Ball should be in front of the forehead. Do this about 50 to 100 times a day. Get comfortable. Ensure your body stays low in triple threat position till the time you don't shoot the ball. Now, for left-handed players, toss the ball, catch it in triple threat position, left hand on top of the ball. Ball should come in front of the forehead. Get comfortable, do it 50 to 100 times a day. In both the shooting action for right-handed and left-handed players, the elbow should be straight. Elbow should not be pointing outwards. To perfect this, you should do this in front of a mirror so that you can see the form, the posture of your shooting action. Jab step. Keep the ball on your right side, step with your left, quickly take the ball to the left side and then bring it back using a rip. A rip is when you get the ball below your knees as fast as possible in a ripping action. Now from the other side as well. Always stay in a triple threat position and ensure the ball is always protected from the defense. Do this about 50 to 100 times and get comfortable using both legs and both sides. Now, ripping the ball over the top. When the defender is low, we ensure that the ball goes over his hand as fast as possible. Jab, rip it over the hand of the defense. Always protect the ball. Do this about 50 to 100 times. Now we're going to just learn how to toss, catch and step with the ball. Toss the ball, catch the ball in a triple threat position and just step forward with using one of the legs. This is a very fundamental basic drill to get comfortable with the ball in motion. Do this about 50 to 100 times. Now, using a chair as a defense, toss the ball, catch it and step through. Ensure that you are about 2 feet away from the defense. Whenever you are stepping through, ensure you are protecting the ball. Bend your shoulders down. Always use your off hand, which is the non-dribbling hand, to protect the ball. Whenever you stop and you want to step through, do it as fast as possible. It is very important as a basketball player to always protect the ball, and whenever you want to change direction, rip the ball as fast as possible and step through. Now we are going to do a jab step. Toss the ball, catch it, jab to the left side, rip the ball and go to the right side. Look at the swinging motion of my arms while I do a rip. I keep the ball as low as possible to the ground, but in a controlled manner. Remember to practice the rip over the defense's hand as well. Now we are going to learn how to use a jab step and a shooting action as a fake. Toss, jab, shooting action and go to the other side. When you give a jab step, the defense goes back, and when you come in your shooting action, the defense will jump towards you. This will give you the opportunity to go to the other side. When you do a jab and come to your shooting action, it has to be convincing. It has to look like you're shooting the ball. Then only the defense will jump towards you. Do this 50 to 100 times minimum to become comfortable and a convincing basketball player.